At Oregon State University, you have the opportunity to study, research, and intern abroad. So when you graduate, you haven't just earned a degree. You've developed a perspective that will influence you for a lifetime. Journey to somewhere you've always dreamed of, or someplace you've never even imagined. Encounter new cultures and different perspectives. Build global knowledge in your field of study. Learn more about yourself and flex your independence. Do all this while earning credit towards your degree through programs offered by the OSU College of Forestry. Our programs are open to College of Forestry and all OSU students at all campuses, including Ecampus. From short-term programs that last 1 or 2 weeks to longer programs like a term or year abroad, we'll work with you to find the option that will fit your curriculum, timeline, and goals, so you can have the experience of a lifetime and still graduate on time. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or have never left the country, these programs will open your eyes to a whole new world. In case you're thinking a program like this is out of reach financially, did you know many opportunities abroad are not much different from the cost of taking credits here at OSU? There are many scholarships available specifically for international study, and your financial aid award can apply to the experience. The College of Forestry works hard to offer international programs that are affordable and within reach.
Studying abroad at the University of Canterbury in New Zealand has been one of the most meaningful and exciting parts of my time at OSU. I learned so much about myself, and it helped me hone in on my career path within natural resources. For anybody thinking of studying abroad, just do it. Go talk to the College of Forestry International Programs because they'll help you every step of the way. Now that I realize what I'm capable of and what resources are available to me, I'm excited about taking on any other new challenges.
Interested? We're here to help. We'll help you find the right experience. We'll help you apply for scholarships. And we'll be with you throughout the whole process, from starting the application to returning home. Contact us, then get out there and explore the world.